Houston receives hundreds of water complaints every day, from water leakage to unresolved puddles, low water pressure, etc. Most of these complaints are nothing, but many of these complaints can indicate to an impending main water pipeline failure beneath, which no system currently can flag early. What actually happens is that Houston sits on soil that shrinks and swells several inches during wet and dry spells, creating a displacement. This displacement in turn creates a differential pressure that leads to water pipeline breakage, or in general a leakage in the main water pipeline. Pluvial AI predicts which complaints are early symptoms of imminent failure and then lets the users interrogate that reasoning in plain language. So right now here you can see the different data points that have been ingested using the API key, as well as right now we will be looking at how we arrive at verdict per street. So we have one card per street, and here you can see different complaints that have been filed by the residents. Each complaint is categorized into three different categories, that is dispatch, inspect, monitor, or closed. This dashboard is what a dispatcher would be seeing. Here, the dispatch means if we need to send a crew today, inspect if something is worth a camera check, monitor or closed if no action is done but the system is still watching. We can click on any specific complaint card to see how we arrived at this particular verdict for that complaint. On the left hand side, you can see if there's any active claim movement right now, what the complaint initially was, and what the ground reads. On the right hand side, you can see what the cohort of four different agents actually went through to give us the verdict. So an investigator predicted why this complaint can be a symptom of a pipeline breakage. A skeptic tries to nullify the investigator's claim, and an adjudicator actually looks at both of the arguments and then gives us the final verdict. The exact argument can be replayed in real time. We have another feature that is look up the street, where any resident of the Houston can see what kind of soil sits beneath their water, and if any complaint has been triaged by the city or in the streets nearby, as you can see right here. In future, we would also be adding a conversational layer where people can converse with our system in real time and not just have a static dashboard.